did you get the fireworks for the kids?
Yeah, they're in here. They're up there.
Oh, great.
I didn't get many, though. I had a lot to do. Anyway, they're a waste of money. You only burn them.
That machine working now, is it?
For now. I don't trust it, you know.
Will you be coming out to the bonfire, or is it Cinderella going to do the washing?
Guess.
Well, I'll see you later in that case.
Much later.
Come on, Gizmo, what's wrong with you?
Come on,
come
Gizmo.
on.
He probably won't even notice it's
Oh,
gone.
it'll be a good laugh, come on.
Yeah, it'd be wonderful.
So I reckon we should put it on now.
Oh, why not? Are you chicken? Come on.
Come on the fire with it.
On the fire.
On the fire. On the fire. On the fire. On the fire. On the fire. On the fire.
Oh, come on, Gizmo.
On the fire with it.
Yeah. 1, 2, 3.
Yeah.
Well, just about cracked now, eh, Terry?
Oh, yeah?
Yeah.
What about me getting more money than you?
You don't mean to say you want to go back and cut up the other 2 miles, do you, Terry?
No, I mean, I should get more money than you.
Well, why is that?
Expenses? Well, I got filthy.
What are you talking about, Terry?
Look, I've got one arm longer than the other with all that soaring. That's what I'm going on about.
Well, it's do you good, keep you in shape.
I'm in shape.
Bad shape.
It's the last time I let you in on anything.
Why, nothing's gone wrong up to now, has it?
No, not yet. But there's still time.
Come on, sup up. Let's get back to the bunny. We've got loads of stuff to throw on, haven't we?
Homework.
What about it?
Nothing. Is the tea ready?
I didn't know what you wanted, otherwise I would have had it ready.
When's my mum coming back?
I don't know. Soon, I hope.
And I hope so and all.
Ah. Have we had a bad little day at the office, have we, darling?
You said it. Sixth form?
What about it, love?
I hate it. Not a bit like the fifth form, you know. You can't have a laugh.
Hard work, is it?
Harder than I thought it would be. I've got 2 A-level essays to do and revise my French exam.
Nothing comes easy, love.
See that book? I'm supposed to read that before the week's out. They must think we've got nothing better to do.
Yeah, well, you've got to treat it like your job.
What is annoying me is that I can't do the A-levels that I wanted to do, because they say it doesn't match up on the timetable.
Oh, well, they must know best.
Oh, do they? Half the teachers are changed. If you had the teacher last term, you can guarantee it'll be a new one this term, and there'll probably be another new one after Christmas and all.
You stick at it, babe.
I hate it. I really do.
What do you want for your tea?
What is that?
Well, for starters, you could have one of my favourite culinary delights, which is a meal done under the grill.
What's that?
Well, it's an egg and beans and chips.
Oh, sounds just what I need.
I'll go and put the chip pan on.
You're lost without me, Mum, aren't you?
People grow together over the years, don't they? They're like 2 stones, they wear together. Begin to depend on each other.
I must admit, I do prefer it when my mum gets the tea ready. We're not exactly the best chefs, are we?
No, we're not exactly Fanny and Johnny Girl, are we?
Who?
Oh, forget it.
You go on the bonfire?
Could do.
Oh, no! Oh, this flaming washer! George!
I wish I had. I love a drop of that.
George!
That was magnificent. My complimentos to the chef.
Do you know anything to do with sociology, Dad?
Yeah, it's a foreign country, innit?
Only I've got this essay to do on social mobility.
Well, it sounds very painful, kid, is it?
It's just common sense made difficult, that's all.
Oh, sounds like union work.
Only our teacher taught it one way. Well, giving us numbered points and that. This new one makes us do seminars and I don't know where I'm up to.
Don't ask me, girl. We didn't take sociology at school.
Seems quiet without my mum somehow.
I know, but don't you tell her that when she gets back.
No, I just mean, seems empty and quiet. Oh God, I've spoken too soon, haven't I?
Oh, hello. I'm sorry to bother you, but... Hello, Karen, love. Look, I don't want to be a nuisance, but I didn't know what to do.
Well, sit down.
Well, I wonder if you could do us a big favour.
Depends what it is, love.
The thing is, the firm's been out to fix me washer, and now it's flooded.
Oh, no.
You see, I was hoping that Barry'd be here, because him and Terry were going to have a look at it, but they never got round to it.
Oh, aye.
I mean, you know what young fellas are like. And I mean, I waited in all day yesterday for them.
I suppose I could have a look at it for you, girl.
I mean, I hate to ask you, but Georgie's at the bonfire with the kids and he won't come back. I mean, he won't leave them on their own, you know, for
I
safety.
can't
like.
promise to fix it. I'll just put my shoes on and get my tools, OK?
Oh, great, because there's water all over me kitchen. Sorry, Karen, love. Ta.
I think it's boring. Stand and watching a fire.
Yeah, I suppose it is. It's a symbol, though, innit?
The thing is sociology, you know, social mobility. They reckon that as you move up the class ladder, you stop having things like bonfires. Well, it's more a working class thing, isn't it?
Wouldn't be bothered, would you?
Why?
You just said it's boring anyway.
Oh, yeah, but it's traditional.
I think that old traditions are stupid.
Last year.
Karen,
What?
I signed up today.
You did what?
For the army, I signed up.
Oh, great.
I said I would, didn't I?
It's just a stupid, thoughtless thing to do.
It's a job, innit?
It's the only job where people get shot to bits.
You're talking stupid.
I'm only talking stupid. You are stupid.
There's the training and everything before you get posted. And while I'm doing the training, you'll be doing your A-levels. Makes sense to me.
Oh, yeah, well, it would do, wouldn't it? Where's the camp?
Don't know yet, do I? But I can come home every month, I think.
Oh, great. Hiya, Karen. Hiya, Mike. Had a nice time at the camp. Yeah, got to be going. See you for 10 minutes next month. Oh, yeah, great.
Oh, there we are. That's the trouble, girl. That little fella. Chewing gum. Feels like £10 of it.
How the hell did that get there?
I don't know. Don't you know how it got there?
Yeah, I think I've got a very good idea.
I had a funny feeling you might know who done it.
If I'd have known about that, they wouldn't have been out there.
I'm sorry about the mess, girl, but it's only the water that was in the block pipe.
Oh, don't worry, I'll sort it out. The times that this has gone wrong, and when you phone them up, they talk to you as if you're daft.
Oh, I know, yeah.
And they don't come out right away. Sometimes you wait for days.
I know, because you can't get good help nowadays, can you, girl?
A woman I know had an idea for an agency.
Oh, aye. What sort of agency is that?
I don't know whether she ever got it off the ground. Knowing her, she probably wouldn't. But you sort of rent work out.
What, for little jobs like this?
Any sort of a job, I think. One person has the names and addresses of skilled people, like plumbers, electricians, builders, that sort of thing. And they work from a central pool. So instead of waiting for weeks for the firm to send somebody out...
Yeah, they phone the contact and he sends someone around to do the job. The central figure takes a sort of like a commission.
Yeah, I think there's a commission, somewhat like that. Is it a good idea?
It's a sound idea. Yeah.
Can't we just throw it all on and get off? I told you, Terry, the smoke.
Hey, what a whizzer. It takes you back a bit, Michelle.
Look at the place move!
I know, it's great.
That should be all right now, girl.
Ta.
Someone's having a good time out there, eh?
I'm in touch with a spiritualist, you know.
What?
Mrs. O'Rourke. She's good. I've made some tea. Oh, yeah. She's really good.
You believe in that sort of thing, do you, girl?
Yeah. I've had first-hand experience. If the police want to mess around, I've got nothing to lose. I've got to get in touch with her somehow. You can pick up vibrations, you know.
Can you?
Oh, yeah. Like off this sofa. She ordered this before she went missing.
No, Petra. Yeah, it's nice stuff.
Fancy ordering something like this and then...
Yeah, it's very nice, love.
She's got good taste. Well, in most things. I always knew Gavin was no good.
Oh, how'd you have a feeling, did you?
Yeah. Lousy vibrations he had. You're all right, aren't you?
Am I?
Yeah. It's not your fault.
Which?
Your kids.
What?
Well, they say they turn out like we make 'em. But I can't see much of me in mine. And I can't see much of me mum in us. Oh, I just wish she'd come back.
Who are your mum?
Petra.
Oh.
Where are they? How long does it take to let off a tin full of fireworks? You finish your tea, I'll go and give 'em a shout.
Hey, Queen, you do us a favour? Just use the phone a minute.
Oh. Yeah, all right.
Hello. That you, Matt? Hello, lad. Bobby here. Same here as well. Well, I want to see you down the Swan for the bevy. No, in about half an hour. No, I can't talk on the phone, lad. You just get there first and get a drink in. Someone's just give me a cracking idea.
Oh, come on, let's throw one on now. There's no one looking. Oh, wait, silly. Go ahead, then. Quick. One at a time.
Oh, my honest God, Barry, what have you been throwing on there?
Hey, what are you doing?
Nothing.
What have you been throwing on the fire?
Nothing.
Don't give me nothing, I can smell it.
Oh, it's just an old sack.
Is that all?
Yeah.
Well, it's not a sack that's making this smell, is it? I mean, it smells awful.
Hey, what are you burning, lads? Old socks. It stinks.
Right, well, we'll have to put the fire out if we don't know what the smell is.
All right, George, there's probably something our Damon's to do on there. Oh, it's getting to the back of my throat. I could do with a drink. Oh, the smell's terrible. Smells like an old tyre. Yeah, it's probably that old tyre our Dame was messing with before. Come on, shall we get off to the Swan, Barry? Yeah, let's go.
Hey, what do you reckon it is, George? You know, it smells like plastic to me.
Yeah, it's PVC. A lungful of that can half kill you.
Well, it certainly put the damper on the old bonfire party, eh?
Yeah, well, it's probably for the better.
You been stood up? What? Have you been stood up? Come to the Bonnie, he says. It's going to be great. One of Brookside's free spirits is Barry. I meant Terry.
Oh, yes, I've met him. He's Barry's business partner, isn't he?
Why didn't you come to the fireworks?
Oh, I didn't know about it.
No, you didn't miss anything.
No, but I heard every banger.
I wonder what those two are up to.
They did seem to leave in rather a hurry.
The least they could have done was bought me a drink.
Is that what you need?
Well, I was sort of promised one.
Oh. Would you care to join me for one?
Yeah, okay.
Come on in. Thanks.
Judy. Oh. What happened to the fire?
Stinks.
What are you eating? Oh, it What's that smell?
Don't know.
Come here, you. Oof, come here. What have you been doing with these kids?
Nothing.
Well, they stink something awful. Oh, come on, get them off. They'll have to go in the machine. I thought it was too good to be true. Just when I was having a nice rest on my own and all. Well, you better get changed as well. You stink.
Flats and houses. You're not leaving because... Sorry, I'm getting as bad as Anne-Marie.
No, I was presented with those by a well-meaning friend, because I happened to mention, mind you, that I felt rather insignificant now in a 3-bedroom house.
Don't think I'd go back to a flat again. Well, not unless I was sharing, and that was bad enough last time.
My friend at work keeps hinting I might like to share this place with her.
Don't. Well, what I mean is, it's nothing like having a place to yourself.
I wish I could agree with you, but it does seem ridiculous now, me being here by myself.
Shouldn't have started talking about this. Sorry, I didn't think.
No, it's all right. I'm going to have to come to terms with it, I suppose. It's just very hard coming home at night alone. Do you know, Michelle, I went to make 2 coffees before, honestly. It has been a shock, suddenly finding myself alone. Before I had my mother and father, and then there was college, and then Roger. And I think that's what's really hard to face, being on my own.
Well, if you had Anne-Marie and George and the kids and that dog, you'd soon change your mind.
Oh, you ought. Yes, I was going to say, you ought to get out more. And I've had the same thing said to me about 60 million times this week.
I would. Only it's Terry. Well, with him being Barry's mate, Anne-Marie holds it against him. You know, Petra. Nothing's ever straightforward, is it?
No.
Not a bad idea, Bob. A pool of skilled tradesmen and the agency taking commission, eh? Not a bad idea. I bet you wish you'd thought of it, eh, Barry, lad?
Hey, it's a good idea, Danny.
We've got nothing to lose there, Matty, lad.
Hey, well, you need loads of fellas out, you know?
Hey, don't you go jumping to conclusions. I know you've had ideas of your own.
Well, I can help out, can't I? All right, and what about me?
Didn't take him long to drop his best mate, you know what I mean, Matt?
Hey, Barry, I mean, what are you into now? I mean, we might be able to use
He's
it.
supposed to be a joiner, but he couldn't hang a picture up.
Hey, we can do anything, us.
The only things you two can do is beer and women.
We've been stressing our brains to come up with an idea like that.
Oh, I've got an idea, come on.
Oh, you stinking kippers.
Come here, got a little job for you. Take them 2 glasses and ask that lovely barman to fill them with beer for me and your Uncle Matty.
That's what I like about you, Dad. Nothing.
You gonna go home? I can't go home. What are you gonna do then? Stop here. You can't stay here. This stuff will kill you. I can't go home. Or Eric will kill me. I only did it for a laugh. I didn't think. Oh, that's anarchy. God, Damon, this is serious. I burnt my brother's bed. I'm sorry, yes, but I find it really funny. Now Eric's going to find it really funny. Oh, tell him it was an accident. Oh, yeah. Hey, Eric, I burnt your bed on me bonfire, but it wasn't an accident. What's up? I can't go home. Oh, Giz. Let us in, will you?